Hi, I am x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab.
Hi, I am a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca.
I am a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube.
Hi, I am a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube.
Hi, I am a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca.
Hi, I am a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube plus is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square.
Hi, I am a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Thank you.